Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install HandBrake in your computer in a very simple way. HandBrake converts and compresses download video files to smaller sizes. So how you can simply download it? Very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply search here HandBrake download. As you can see, the suggestion comes in. Click on that. Click on the first website and simply click on the exe installer, download exe installer. Click on that. Click on download. It's about 24.1 MB. Download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install. Click yes for the permission. Now you simply minimize all of your background app and simply click next, next and install. And after complete installation, you can simply click on finish. And as you can see, here is a HandBrake is rightly downloaded. Now if you click on open it, click on download it now. And then it's going to ask you for Windows desktop runtime. So if you click on download, click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission. Now you can simply close it, close, and after complete that, close it. Now you can simply open HandBrake in your computer. Just open it, and as you can see, HandBrake is rightly opened in your computer. So this is how you can simply download and install HandBrake in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.